Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect PayPal to Upwork. First, navigate to your Upwork account and select the Settings option from your Profile drop-down menu. Once you are in your settings, look for the Get Paid section on the left sidebar. This crucial area allows you to manage all of your withdrawal methods conveniently and securely, preparing you for the next step. Within the Get Paid section, you will see a prominent button labeled Add a Method. Click this to begin the process of linking a new withdrawal option. From the list of available choices, select PayPal. Upwork offers various secure payment methods, but PayPal is often preferred for its ease of use and widespread acceptance among freelancers. Upon selecting PayPal, a new window will open, redirecting you to the official PayPal login page. Here, you must enter your PayPal email address and password to securely authorize the connection with Upwork. Be prepared to complete any additional security verification steps, such as a two-factor authentication code, ensuring your account remains fully protected during this process. After successful authorization, you will return to Upwork. Confirm PayPal as your preferred or primary withdrawal method there. Upwork might send a very small test deposit to your PayPal account to finalize the verification process, which is a standard security measure. This verification usually takes between 2 and 3 business days to fully complete, so patience is certainly key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.